Living in Anthem, Arizona, means enjoying stunning desert landscapes, bright sunshine, and a vibrant community. But along with the beauty of the desert comes a unique set of challenges for homeowners: intense heat, high UV exposure, dust, and dry conditions. In such an environment, your home's windows play a vital role in keeping your living space comfortable, energy efficient, and protected. That's why proper window replacement is more than just an upgrade. It's essential to adapting your home to Anthem's desert climate. The impact of Anthem's desert climate on windows. The desert environment in Anthem puts windows to the test. Extreme heat. Temperatures frequently soar well above 100 degrees Fahrenheit, and standard windows struggle to block heat from entering. High UV exposure. Constant sunshine can fade furniture, flooring, and drapes when windows lack protective coatings. Dust and dryness. Small gaps or poorly sealed frames allow dust to infiltrate your home, making it harder to keep clean. Cool nights. Significant temperature swings between day and night can cause older windows to expand and contract, leading to cracks or gaps. Without proper windows, these conditions not only raise your energy bills but also affect your daily comfort. Why proper window replacement is the solution: energy efficiency in extreme heat. Energy efficient replacement windows with double or triple pane glass and low E coatings significantly reduce heat transfer. They help keep your home cooler during hot Anthem summers, reducing the load on your air conditioning system and lowering monthly energy bills. Better indoor comfort. With upgraded windows, you'll notice a more consistent indoor temperature, no more hot spots near sun-facing windows or chilly drafts at night. Proper window replacement ensures your home remains comfortable, even when outdoor temperatures fluctuate drastically. UV protection for interiors. Modern replacement windows often come with UV filtering glass that blocks up to 95% of harmful rays. This protects your furniture, flooring, and artwork from fading while still allowing natural light to brighten your home. Dust and allergen reduction. In the desert, dust is unavoidable, but well-installed replacement windows with secure seals minimize infiltration. That means less dusting and vacuuming, as well as healthier indoor air quality for your family. Noise reduction. Busy streets or nearby construction can disrupt the peace of your Anthem home. Replacement windows with insulated glass also help reduce outside noise, creating a quieter, more relaxing indoor environment. Choosing the right windows for Anthem homes. Not all windows are built for desert living. When considering replacement, look for these features: frame materials. Vinyl and fiberglass resist warping, cracking, and fading in dry heat better than traditional wood. Glass options. Low E coatings, argon-filled panes, and impact-resistant glass for both efficiency and durability. Style. Casement and awning windows offer excellent ventilation for cooler evenings, while picture windows frame Anthem's desert views beautifully. Custom options also ensure that your new windows complement your home's style while meeting performance needs. Why professional installation matters. Even the most advanced windows won't perform as intended without proper installation. Poorly fitted or sealed windows can lead to energy loss, dust infiltration, and higher utility bills. Professional installers in Anthem ensure accurate measurements for a snug, energy-efficient fit. Use high-quality sealing and insulation materials. Understand local building codes and climate-specific requirements. Provide warranties for both products and labor, giving you peace of mind. Final thoughts for Anthem homeowners: proper window replacement is not a luxury, it's a necessity. In the desert climate, new windows improve comfort, reduce energy bills, protect your interiors, and create a healthier home environment. If your current windows are drafty, outdated, or failing to block the Arizona heat, investing in professional window replacement will transform the way you experience your home. With the right windows, you'll enjoy a more comfortable, efficient, and protected living space, all while embracing the beauty of Anthem's desert lifestyle.